Hello dear students, welcome, and this is Vikram Kharade, and in this video I will be discussing today's webinar was there by CBSE board, and in the webinar even they have released new syllabus, new textbook, and so many doubts are there in students mind. And in this video, this is very authentic video, this is very authentic information by CBSE. Complete English has been changed. What we had practiced till now, class 8th, 9th, 10th, whichever class, this year 2026-27 English language and literature is completely changed, entirely changed. Not only, dear students, not only syllabus, but even the paper pattern also has been changed. Grammar, they have come up with new topics, additional topics. Even writing skill has been increased. Let's discuss the changes in the new syllabus. Paper pattern also has been changed, and this video is very useful and helpful for all the students of class 9th 2026 and 27 academic year. English language prescribed textbook for class 9th is Kaveri. The name of the textbook is Kaveri. Textbook for English for class 9 class. The textbook has been developed based on common curricular goals rather than rigid differentiation between R1 and R2. So here what we have to find out, what changes have come. So first, question paper design is given. English language syllabus class 9th. Subject code is given, that is not given, but still weightage if you check, reading skills as it is 20 marks. Two passages will come, one passage will be descriptive and discursive passage for 10 marks, and another passage, unseen passage, case based passage, that is for 10 marks. So in the reading skill there is no change, as it is there. For 8th also we have studied two passages for 10 marks. 9th also it remains the same, two passages for reading comprehension, 10 marks one passage, another passage also 10 marks. Same it will be there for 10th class also. Then section B we have writing skill and grammar. Section remains the same, but here marks if you check, please focus on marks, 30 marks. So previously this section was for only 20 marks. But now 10 marks have been increased there, and this is very important change. Writing skill and grammar is for 30 marks, and section C as usual language and literature, but now they have changed the name of section also, language through literature, that also for 30 marks. Previously it was for 40 marks. Now 10 marks reduced from that section and 10 marks added in writing skill, so that also we will learn thoroughly. In detail, if you want to check it, reading comprehension through unseen passage, two passages for 20 marks, 10 marks I told you. And section B I just want to discuss, because I told you section B has been changed entirely. Some new grammar topics have been added. Grammar remains for 10 marks, no issue. Previously also grammar was for 10 marks only, but now also grammar is for 10 marks. But they have divided grammar into 4-3-3. And 4-3-3 means 4 marks grammar will be asked on the previous syllabus of grammar. And previous syllabus of grammar means what we are studying for 10th. That those topics I will tell. Sequence of tenses means tenses, modal verbs, and reported speech, and conditional clause type 1, and subject verb concord, and determiners and clauses. And these topics are still there. There is no change in these topics. Last year also same topics were there for 9th. This year also for 9th and 10th the same topics are there, and these are the old topics as it is there, and the 4 marks will be asked on these topics. Now 6 marks they have increased in grammar, and that 6 marks they have given here. You can see here that editing and omitting sentence responses, MCQ type questions will be there for 4 marks. Then sentence rearrangement for 3 marks, and sentence of transformation also for 3 marks. So here grammar is for only 10 marks, same, topics remain same, there is no change in topics, but asking framing question can be changed or is changed. So sentence rearrangement is there, this is little different, that is for 3 marks, and sentence transformation is also there, that is also for 3 marks. So this we have to focus, but grammar topics are same, there is no change in grammar topic. Now the very important section is writing skill. It was only for 10 marks. Yes, in the old syllabus for ninth, writing skill was only for 10 marks. Now it is for 20 marks, and previously it was a descriptive paragraph writing and diary writing, story writing was there, but now they have come up with new ideas, new writing skills, new topics. Here we have 3 marks. For 3 marks, writing a notice, an informal invitation, that is for 3 marks. Easy it is, because you might have studied notice writing in 7th and 8th also. So that is called notice writing is as it is. Informal invitation is there for 3 marks. Now for 5 marks, letter to editor is introduced. And this change I personally liked, because letter to editor was not there for 9th class. Directly in 10th the students used to learn, but now the students, if they learn in class 9th only, then definitely it will be very helpful for them to write 10th exam also. So letter to editor is there for 5 marks. Formal email writing, completely new email writing is newly added here topic on the given issue for presenting views and suggestions. So writing a letter to editor or making or formal email, any of these two, one will be asked for 5 marks. One more question is there, writing a factual description and magazine article. Now magazine article and factual description, this is also a new topic, writing skill topic, that is also for 5 marks. Any one will be asked. If factual description is asked, then magazine article will not come, so any one will be there for 5 marks. Now one more very important change now, writing descriptive narrative essay. Essay writing has been newly added in syllabus. Essay writing was there, but previous few years it was not there in CBSE, but now they have come up with new idea, and that is called narrative essay writing. And essay writing has the highest weightage, that is called 7 marks. 7 marks highest weightage for writing skill. Essay writing is there, factual description is there, magazine article is there, letter to editor is there, email writing is there, and notice writing is there, and informal invitation is there. Total writing skill section is for 20 marks. Very important. Here it is given that for questions 6 to 9, attempt any one as per the internal choice provided. The internal choice could comprise both the same or different topics, so like that. So it is in our hand. Now section C, language through literature, 30 marks, 10, 10, 5, 5. Now your burden has been reduced. You are happy, even I am happy. Literature is reduced. Literature part, already book they have reduced. Now supplementary reader is not there. Only one book is there, language and literature, Kaveri book. Only 8 lessons and 8 poems are there. And on that, here language through literature, only 30 marks are there. One is from drama or prose, and one is from poetry. 2 will come. So the problem is 10 marks for extract. Now you can see here extract based questions. After extract based questions, 5 marks. 5 out of 6 questions. One more thing, previously 3 marks questions were there. Now 2 marks questions are there. So it is easy. 6 questions will be given. 5 you have to attempt. Each question carries 2 marks. That is for 10 marks. And now one more long answer question, that is for 5 marks. One from theme and plot and character. So here internal assessment is also given. A periodic pen and paper test for 5 marks, it will be considered. Multiple assessment, quizzes they have given. Oral discussion is given. Presentation is given for 5 marks. Portfolio is given for 5 marks, and subject enrichment activity, ASL or art or tech or integrated 5 marks. So this is the change in your syllabus and paper pattern.